This is Riley eating cereal for the first time. It is March 1st. Riley's 5 months old and she's going to try cereal for the first time. Hi.
Her licking it. Her trying to eat it now.
Ready?
No, her trying to eat it.
Is she trying? Oh, look at her.
Her likes it.
What do you think of that? Huh? What you thinking, Riley? Riley Grace, are you watching your brother? Are you eyeing up those Cocoa Puffs that he's eating? Huh? Take a little more. Oh, look at your sister eat up her cereal.
What's in here, Mama?
What's in what, baby?
Right here.
Chocolate milk.
I drink it.
No, I'll get you some Chucky Wacky if that's what you want, okay? Give me just a second, okay?
I want some cereal in the bowl. I want the cereal in the bowl and spoon.
Look at you! Doing all good. You're doing a good job. Can you eat that? Eat it up in your tummy.
Don't get some on your hands.
Don't get it on my hands. No. Oh, is this good stuff? Is that good?
I don't like it.
You don't think so? Oh, look at. I think she does.
No.
You don't think she likes it? Why not? I'm gonna eat your bib. Why don't you get in there with her and say cheese? You're gonna eat your bib? Where are you going, buddy? Oh. There you are. You eating cereal for the first time, and are you loving it? Huh? Oh, look at you. I bet that feels good on your gums. Is that good? Riley? Riley Grace? Do you want more? Do you want more? Is that so good? Hey, go. Ooh. Look at you, big girl. Hey. Want more? Hi. Hi. Is that good stuff? Hi. Hi. Do you want more? Do you want more cereal? Riley. Oh, Riley. Great.